Good old fun police came down the roof. And this in infinity bike ride has to push this fucking thing out.
He's pretty good about it, eh?
Hey guys, this is my 70 race bike we built at school. I'll just give it a run. And it's all shift down. This is bumpy! Ow, fuck! I never designed this to go over bumps. Oh! Whoops, I kicked down gears. So it goes down 1, down 2, down 3, down 4. Yeah, go over the hill, yeah! Jesus Christ, that was bumpy. I just about fell off the bike. Bumpy! Ow! Fucking hurts!
Just having a bit of fun. Infinity bike rides. And this random motherfucker. It's got GP shifting. There you go. Got the hang of it.
It goes alright, eh?
It's fucking fun, eh? Fucking all good.
So fun. I need dollar stuff in my pockets though, like.
Yeah, it fucking hurts, eh?
It's even better without a helmet on than on a video.
I'll turn around here. There guys. Just to make this look as legit as fucking possible, I'm gonna flick down my sun visor and ride it pretty much blind. Nav, trigger me! Oh shit, tree! Fuck, that's hilarious. Steering's a bit sharp, so oh god! Okay, don't stop on the rear brake while going along. They'll probably bend the axle out. Hello! So great.
What?
So great.
Guys, the fucking police showed up. Oh my god. Oh mate, you're so fucked. Good luck infinity bike rides with your fucking... Oh, it's real impressive, eh? That's about loud though, eh?
Bit loud. Also, helmets. All the
Oh yeah.
I just took it off. Well, I was over there, and well, the report was that you can ride around without a helmet. Oh, that was from previously. Oh, okay.
Oh no. We've been riding with a helmet because there's a GoPro on it.
Yeah.
But he just took it off just then.
Oh, okay. The report as I said, the report I had was that.
Do you need a license to ride something like that down here?
Yep.
Oh, okay.
It's a public place. Thereby, it is now a road.
Good old fun police came down the roof. And this in infinity bike ride has to push this fucking thing over.
It's pretty good about it, eh?
Yeah.